back to the Garden Show. We're so glad you're here. And I am joined here today with Dan Hodges, who happens to be my husband and also my business partner at Greenbug. And I'm so grateful to have you here today.
Thank you, Louise. I'm glad to be here. You know, a lot of times when we're out in the field and we're installing, a question for you would be, they always ask me, they say, how did y'all come up with this system? And I really look at them and I say, well, smart men marry smart women. So with that being a little funny, I would like for you to tell the audience here how you actually came up with this idea and this concept.
With the idea of the Greenbug system,
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we had been in the landscape business in Charlotte and we moved to the Lowcountry and it created all these wonderful outdoor spaces. And when we moved down here, we realized you can't be outside because the bugs are so bad.
True.
So we looked into dealing with the bugs and found that traditional pesticides were very, very, very dangerous. So we wanted to find something that was natural. So the active ingredient in the Greenbug products is cedar, like cedar chests and cedar closets where you never see a bug. So we have a water-soluble formulation and people were putting it out with backpack sprayers and things. And anyway, it's an organic product, so you have to put it out a little more frequently. And so one day I was watching my irrigation system run. My sprinklers pop on, and I thought, gosh, I wonder if we could distribute it through the through the irrigation. And that's how the Greenbug system idea came to be. So basically with the Greenbug system, you have a hopper that holds the Greenbug, and when it's the Greenbug programming, it runs for 2 minutes a zone per day, and it's like an IV drip of the Greenbug into the main irrigation line, and then the water distributes it throughout the property. So that's how it started. It took a while to get it, but now we've got a bunch of them out there. And so then when we put them in, that's when it comes to your area of expertise. So explain to us a little bit about some of the challenges you have when you actually put a Greenbug system in.
Yeah, absolutely. No job is the same. So when we get on site, whether it be commercial or residential, we never know if I refer to it as IVing into the irrigation line. So we're actually tapping into the main water line before the first valve after the backflow preventer. And that can be from me to Louise, or it can be from me to 300 feet away. There are so many variables, but we're able to accomplish all this via with our trencher. We have trenchers, we have people doing it by hand, and
sometimes you have to go under sidewalks.
Yeah, you've got sidewalks, you've
know.
got driveways to negotiate, but that's usually the number one challenge, but it's always overcome by just
But we can do it.
We can down there and doing it.
So if you have an irrigation system, you can get it retrofitted with the Greenbug system, or if you're installing a new irrigation system, like new construction or something, that's the very best time to talk about a Greenbug system because you can orchestrate everything with all the different players involved.
Right.
So, well, I appreciate your input,
Well, thank
Dan.
you.
Thanks
Thank you,
for
Louise.
being here.
Yeah, this is great.
And stay tuned for our next segment. We're going to learn all about fertilizer. You're not going to believe how much information you're going to get in a minute. So I appreciate you being here. We'll be right back.